I don't have a recipe for this one, but this is something that I like to do all the time in my house because I try to not drink dairy all the time anymore. I still do sometimes, but I prefer to drink nut milk. And cashew milk is one of the easiest things to make because you don't have to put it through a nut bag anymore. You don't have to strain it. All you really have to do is soak the cashews overnight and then drain the water. So this is about, I think, half a cup of cashews. Again, I don't really have a recipe. I just kind of freestyle it and eyeball things as I go along. That's why making cashew milk is super easy to do at home and I highly recommend. And there's really only one major step you have to do, blend. So that's what we're gonna do now. First, let's try it with maybe 2 cups of water. I'm not gonna put all first. I'm probably gonna put like most of it. So later, after I blend it, we're gonna see if it's thick enough. If it's not thick enough yet, then I'm gonna add more cashews. If it's too thick, then I'm gonna add more water. Fresh cashew milk, it's that easy. I think it costs around anywhere from 170 to maybe 300 pesos per Tetra pack of nut milk. And what I just did right now probably cost me about 15 pesos. So yeah, I had 1/2 cup of cashew there and I think I put in maybe 1/4 cup. I wanna see how thick it is. Clean spoon, no double dipping. Can be a little thicker. So we're gonna add just a little more. The reason why you don't want to double dip also is because it spoils fast. And the good thing about this is if you don't use all, you could just put the cap back on and store it in the refrigerator. I don't normally do this as well. I usually just like take my cashew milk plain, but I'm gonna try putting in some salt and a little bit of honey. We'll see. I blended that in total for about a minute, I think, but ideally you should blend it a little longer. I'm just impatient. The longer you blend it, the smoother it will be. Super easy. Cashew milk is probably the only nut milk that you don't need to strain. When I make fresh coconut milk or almond milk, I still have to strain that. With cashew milk, you don't. And there you have it, fresh cashew milk. Super easy to make, super cheap as well, and took me around 3 minutes. I'm gonna make some coffee with this. This actually steams really well. Oh, by the way, I'm also giving away one of these, the Vitamix Quiet one. So if you check out my videos, you will see the video where I announced this giveaway. Everybody wants the Vitamix. Very high value kitchen equipment that every foodie needs in their life. But you guys have to subscribe to my channel and comment below, like all my videos, and you might just win the Vitamix.